As a part of our employment background verification, we do comprehensively cover identity, address, criminal checks, employment, and education. From the time of a person's birth till his current situation, we make sure that the checks are done at every stage. These are most comprehensive checks that are quite possible in the industry today. Identity checks are we use they are required essentially because we are first of all confirming that the person who is joining you as an employee is actually the person whose card we are validating. So his identity is first validated. We validate using PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID, ration card and driving license. PAN card verification is also important because when you are deducting TDS, you know that you are crediting the right account. With voter ID, Aadhaar card, ration card and driving license, we not only validate the identity of the individual, but we also validate the permanent address. Question that is there is, why do we need to do address check? It's a good question, a lot of people ask. We are currently doing both permanent address and current address. Permanent address is important for two reasons. Number one is we know that a person is where he claims to have come from. If he says I am from UP, for a South Indian, any place beyond Vindhyas is UP. But if he is from Bihar, West Bengal, Bangladesh, we will know. The second thing is that when a criminal crime is committed, police register the first information report based on the identity card. So when we do criminal checks, we will get an idea of how the police have gone about registering a FIR so that we can identify the right person during the criminal check. So these are the reasons why the permanent address is required. As regarding current address, there are two reasons again. Number one is if a theft of material happens, the employer has to give the police an address for them to start searching for the material ASAP. So once you get an address, that becomes the first place where the police can go and start searching for the person. The second and most important thing is if some accident or incident happens at the work site or in the commute from home to office, you will know as HR whom to contact and let them know that there is a problem. So these are two reasons why the current address is required. As a part of current address check, we also require the owner's information, his phone number, because the first thing we do is that we validate if the premises belongs to the owner. We don't want to do address verification with a friend or with some fake data. Once the owner information is validated, we then use the utility bills to verify whether that particular address is where the person is staying. Only then the address verification is conducted. So this is a two-level process to make sure the address check is comprehensive. The third part is that we do our address check using the services of India Post. We are their official partners. In fact, many other verification companies do their rural and sub metro address checks using our support with India Post. The quality of checks is same as what is done for someone who is getting recruited for Indian Army or any other defense force or with any government job. So we are quite sure that our tests are pretty comprehensive. It is not done by some 10 standard fail fellow, but it is done by a gazetted officer of the Government of India. Next is the education checks. We do education checks at two levels. One is we validate the educational institution. Next, we validate the education. It is important that we validate the educational institution, its affiliation, legality of affiliation, because there are so many fake programs moving on today. A student, either with or without knowledge, will simply pay money and join any program of his choice. Many of these programs are not actually legal programs. What is a legal program? Legal program is one that is like approved by the Government of India. For instance, University Grants Commission, they affiliate universities, which in turn affiliate colleges. So when a college is affiliated, its program becomes legal. If there is no affiliation, then the program is illegal. Department of Human Resources also has many affiliated programs, like AICT also affiliates all technical courses. So these are affiliated programs. We validate whether the particular institution has any such accreditation before they offer the course or program to a student and give the certificate. Once that is done, we also validate the program to see whether at the time that the certificate was issued, the program was current. Once we do that, validation of the education and institution, we validate the education, 10th, 12th degree, post degree, the whole works. So we go to the institution, we validate it with their official records. We get a written confirmation from them. So it is quite comprehensive. The next stage is employer verification. Like there are bogus education institutions, there are more than 10,000 companies as per our bogus national record of bogus employers, which we call resource check red data. There are 10,000 listed companies whose business is to issue fake certificates. We have put them on our website. We try to go to the official records, incorporation records, taxation records, GST records to check whether this institution has ever been present. We also check when did they last file their tax returns, if there is incorporation, if there's a company, what is the incorporation details, when are the statutory filings happening. All this information we validate, and only then we pass through the employer check. Once we are clear that the employer is genuine, then we contact the employer and get a written confirmation about the employer. Next is criminal checks. Criminal checks, currently we are doing the Supreme Court, High Courts, all subordinate courts in all the 5,564 taluks in India. That is, we are covering all the 30 states and all the taluks in this country. We are also covering 593 districts with respect to consumer courts, with respect to other kinds of courts. We are doing taxation, regulatory and statutory checks in each region. So at the moment, the width of our coverage is about 40,000 databases. That is, for every employee, we check more than 40,000 databases. Not only here in India, but in 5 continents, in 56 countries. They are as comprehensive as they come. We not only give you the information about the records, but we also give you proof, in written proof. We give you judgments, we share the court hearings and all that, so that you are very sure that the cases are genuine. Lastly, we do web verification. Web verification is very important for one more reason, that today there are many people who are present online who troll people for political reasons. They troll women or children. They may be having other issues, political issues must be there. they may be supporting terrorism or extremist ideologies. They may be having other issues which can either create problems during employment or can bring a brand issue to the employer. So in those circumstances, it is important for you as an employer to know the status of the persons. This is the scope of our employment verification.